Next command is ARCcommand. For ARCcommand, I create some lines. First type of arc is 3-point arc. For 3-point arc, we need 3 reference points. Select it. I select this first point, second point, and third point. Arc created with the reference of 3 points. Next one is start, center, end. Select it. Move cursor on this line. You can notice a green rectangle is visible, which indicates the end point. When we move cursor on this side, then cross indicates the nearest point. The triangle indicates the midpoint. Now select first point, start point. I select this point, center point, end point. Now arc is created, but it is downside. For upside, again we select same arc, start, center, end. Now select this point, right side point or starting point. Select center point, select end point. Now arc is upside. Again select same arc, start, center, end. Now select this point, start point. Now select center point and end point. Now arc is on left side. Again select start, center, end. Select lower point for starting point, center point, and then select end point. Now arc created right side. When we select start point, left point, the arc direction will be downside. When we select start point, right point, the arc direction will be upside. Starting point, upper point, arc direction will be left side. If we select lower point, then arc will be at right side. Next is start, center, end. Select it. I select this point for start point, this point, center point, and now we enter some angle. I enter here 45 degree. This arc will be at 45 degree angle. Same arc, select same arc, start, center, angle. Select this point, start point, this point, center point. Now put the value of angle. Now we enter minus 45 degree. Press enter. Arc will be in opposite direction at 45 degree. Next one is start, center, length. Select it. For this arc, select start point, center point, and mention the length of the arc. The arc length 30. The arc length will be 30. Next one is start and angle. This one was start, center, angle, and this is start and angle. Select it. Select start point, this point, end point, this point, and now put the value of angle. I enter here the value of angle 45. Press enter. This angle will be at 45 degree. Next is start and direction. Select it. Start point, select this point, end point, this point. You can specify any direction. If we move cursor on upper side, the direction will be upper side. If we move cursor downside, the direction will be downside. You can enter here angle. I move cursor upside and enter the value of angle. Press F8 for turn off the ortho mode. Now you can put here the value of angle. I put here 30 degree. Press enter. This is 30 degree angle. Next arc is start and radius. I select this point, start point, this point, end point, and the value of radius. I enter here 30 mm. This is start and radius arc. Now 3 arcs are remaining, which are starting from center. First one is center, start, and select it. For it, select the center point, this point, start point, this point, end point, this point. Again select same arc, start, center, start, and now select this point, center point, start point, end point. For this arc, same rule. Next one is center, start, angle. Select center point, select start point, and now put the value of angle. I enter here value of angle 55 degree. Press enter. This arc is creating 55 degree angle. Next arc is center, start, length. Select it. Select center point, select start point. Now you can type the value of length. I enter here value 40 mm. Press enter. The length of this arc is 40 mm. If you want to continue same arc, then you can select this continue button.